mighty fine music these girls picking out up here. I know, they asked me if I was coming down Main Street shooting your pictures there a few minutes ago. They said, do you need a CD, Charlie, to put in your computer up there? And I said, no. I said, I like Jimmy Skinner. And Jimmy Skinner, if there ever was a guy who fits some of these cars, Jimmy Skinner does. That's called the Blue Yodel that you listen to. But anyway, the girls got the blame for it. I'll let them take it. And if anybody asks where that song come from, it come from Sherry or Carolyn, not me. Okay. Well, here's Bittersweet Cloggers. Let me start that over. Let's try that again. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, are